Good day, everyone. Today we will learn how to repair missing or corrupted system files in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So, if you think that your system is not working properly and if there is some corruption or there are some issues in the computer, you can repair these issues in a very easy manner. The only thing you need to make sure is to follow the whole video, and it will not take more than a couple of minutes. So, without further delays, let's jump into it. We are going to use a couple of commands and techniques to resolve these issues. I will tell you what those commands are and what exactly those commands will do. So, it is recommended that you follow the thing as shown for similar results. First thing first, just click on Start button or search icon. Type CMD in the search box. Command prompt will show up in search. Just left-click on the icon and select Run as administrator. These types of commands requires administrative permissions. So, always run such commands as administrator. Command prompt will open up and look like a black dialog box. Type first command, sfc /scannow. No space between space and now. Once you type it, hit enter. Now this is a system file checker tool will scan the whole C drive for potential integrity violations if any. It will try to find any corrupted or missing files, and it will fix and replace those. So, it is not simply a scan tool as it scans, identifies, and replaces corrupt files on its own. This fixes the boot-related issues, and if there are some File Explorer or not responding issues, it will fix it. So, let it complete. It often takes 2 to 5 minutes in most cases. Based on the amount of corruption, it may take a few more minutes. But it is a powerful tool, so do not underestimate it. Once it is complete, it will show the reports like if the corrupted files were found or not. If it says no integrity violation found, it means the system had not corrupted files. If it says found corrupted files and successfully repaired, it means it played its part well. So, in either case, we are good to move forward. Now, it is time for second command. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /RestoreHealth. Once you type it, hit enter. His is a powerful command and it only fixes and repairs the operating system or Windows files. Deployment Image Servicing Management tool called DISM will start its work. It's absolutely safe and it is really good for the OS as well. It often takes 5 to 10 minutes in most cases. Based on the amount of corruption, it may take a few more minutes. Once it is complete, go to Start menu and restart your PC. After it restarts, you will notice that your issues have resolved. For your ease, I am sharing the list of commands used in this video. Please check description. If you have any issues, please share those in comment. And if you have some specific problem like these, please leave a comment. I will try to cover those issues in upcoming videos. Please like and subscribe my channel. You know, it motivates me in creating free educational content to help you guys. This was all about for today. Once again, like and subscribe my channel. Have a wonderful day. Take care.